And this is a 2023 Kia Carnival 8-seat configuration, 2 at the front, 3 in the middle, 3 40 seats at the back. This is the middle row. The middle seat has been removed. In the US version, the 2 side seats can also be removed and reversed. But in Australia, that function has been disabled. So you can only remove the middle seats, but not the 2 on the sides. And this is how to do it yourself. So first, bring the seat forward. In your Kia manual, it tells you that there's a handle behind this stand here. When you lift that handle, you'll be able to remove this seat. But that handle is no longer there, it's being disabled. So what you do, what you need to do is to come here, right in the middle, under the seat. You'll be able to see a cable. That's a cable there, running all the way back to a black plastic seat clip right under the seat, right at the back. If you remove that seat clip and just pull that off, here you go, that's in my hand, okay, with string attached. So when you pull this handle, so that's a seat clip, that's a handle. Just be aware, this electric cable sensors connected to the front of the seat, which need to be unplugged before you remove the seats. And that's how you remove the side seats from the middle row. There you go.